So the hands-on photos of the OnePlus 9 Pro shows off an updated camera design that houses the main sensor, an ultra-wide and two other snappers. Now one of these seems to be a telephoto camera that supports 3.3x optical zoom, but it's just an early software, so the final product might use a 3x telephoto lens. Nothing is known about the fourth camera sensor. It might be either a depth sensor, a macro, or another color filter sensor. Probably no. And the camera layout is completed by an LED flash and what appears to be an laser autofocus system. The most interesting part, however, is the branding on the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G's camera module. Nokia and Sony have partnered up with Zeiss on their phones in the past, and Vivo joined the Zeiss gang recently. Huawei had a deal with Leica for quite some time. OnePlus, it turns out, is developing its next generation smartphone cameras with Hasselblad. Now Hasselblad is mostly known for their expensive cameras. They never had these kind of partnerships though, but this is really cool. The partnership has been confirmed by tipster Max Weinbach too, but whether there will be a significant upgrade in the camera output quality that puts OnePlus on par with the Samsung and Apple will remain to be seen. OnePlus has confirmed that it's investing heavily in the mobile photography recently, but the recent Zeiss partnership with Nokia Mobile seems just like a sticker on the module and marketing, nothing more. So let's hope best for OnePlus. Now OnePlus 9 Pro 5G prototype reveals a curved edge display with slim bezels, a thinner chin, and a small punch hole in the top left corner. Usual stuff. As for the leaked photos, the included display supports Quad HD Plus resolution and runs at 120Hz at standard. Speaking of charging and battery life, previous leaked information has confirmed that OnePlus' next flagship will support 45W fast wireless charging and 65W usual fast charging. Unfortunately, there is no word on the battery capacity yet, but it's not gonna be less than 4500 mAh battery, I hope. Specs wise, the prototype OnePlus 9 Pro unit rocks 256GB of internal storage coupled with 11GB of RAM as per the leaked photo of the setting app. That's likely down to the pre-release software though, and production version will feature 12GB of RAM, I can assure you that. As for the chipset, OnePlus has confirmed that it will soon be launching at least one phone with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 on board. And the OnePlus 9 Pro is almost certainly that device, right? The premium OnePlus 9 Pro is scheduled to be announced at some point next month. It will be accompanied by the OnePlus 9, which will also be powered by the Snapdragon 888, and the affordable OnePlus 9e flagship, which should use the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is actually kind of cool processor. You can click on the card to check out my video on the Snapdragon 870 on my other channel. Now, shipments are likely to start shortly after unveiling event in Europe and USA. Although the flagship should be available both unlocked and at T-Mobile, whether the OnePlus and Verizon are extending their partnership is not clear. An $899 starting price tag is expected, but from my side. So yeah, if you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.